Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, I didn't know ukuthi kuthengelwa kwa-TS Smith imoto ngiyokhoza lo mkhulu umsindo laphana aku-Twitter. Mona guys, Mona will be the end of you guys. Cha ntalwa bathakathi, I swear, cause why? We've known Tia Smith for years, and we know ukuthi she's married to Mr. B. But she's a YouTuber, faithfully by postana. But why now? Why is the girl being dragged now? So things are going really good empilweni YouTuber Tia Smith Buthelezi. She recently got a baby. Bamthengela i-push present imoto guys, Mercedes. Angeke ngize ngisho ukuthi inhlobo luni, but labathi bathi imoto ayemameter guys, 1 point something meter, and it's very beautiful. Inhle ngendlela lesimanga. So now people are saying ukuthi hey, Mr. B was once married to uSlindile. uSlindile ungudoctor, and uThia nguyilo wamusha mshado wabo. Mr. B apparently was dating uThia at that time. uThia was 17. Mr. B was I think age gap yabo it's 18 years, and people are saying ukuthi uThia she's younger than Mr. B mtsala, and uyambona ukuthi indoda ayisithembu. So apparently Mr. B wanted to take uThia as a second wife, and uSlindile the doctor said ukuthi hayi cha mina never. And then she left. That's how they divorced. The people even have pictures of uSlindile ex-wife wa Mr. B, and I'm like, hi bo, abuya manje lama picture, where did you guys get these pictures? Guys, why invumbulula lenzaba lena? No. And uThia, I remember uThia Smith go live yakhe yakuzala, I think 2022. She once revealed ukuthi when she started dating Mr. B, bese ka divorced already, and people are saying ukuthi no, they were cheating, banga divorce, and people even took a live yakutsala guys 2022 circulator now as if like a live yanyalo, and that's an old live guys where uThia was talking about Mr. B ukuthi noma ngathatha imfato esithushe wouldn't mind nani yena undlulile dukwala tinto letinjalo, and people are saying ukuthi she's young, she's 23, why afuna ukuvumela ithembu. You guys, this time lesikhathi ngabe Thia kumele celebrate ngaso lezi things are finally going according to iplan yaNkulunkulu empilweni yakhe. Things are finally falling into place. Unemntwana niyasho ukuthi kudzala mfuna mntwana. They've been praying and trying for mntwana wethu Mr. B, but finally things are coming together empilweni yakhe, and people decide ukuthi bamdrag. For someone who recently got a child, guys, uDaniel Vigi mntwana ke, but people are dragging and bashing ugele as if like this is something new. Indzaba yakuzala lena, they've been married for years, they've been together for years, siyabati, but people are acting as if Thia was hiding Mr. B, and people recently found out about Mr. B, and then act as if you guys didn't know about this relationship, and act as if you guys didn't know about this couple. Niyamangala nithukile, niyaqala kubabona guys. Come on, all this because of a car. Like, is it because of the push pregnancy? You guys envy her? Angeke ntolo yabafana bam, angeke. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. So goodbye.